welcome back to Lifezone. My name is Selena, for those of you who don't know me, and if you are new here, welcome to the fam. So today what we will be talking is all things flowers. And all these bouquets, floral arrangements that I got, I found them all at the Dollar Tree, which is amazing because you know your girl loves a good bargain. So I'm going to show you how I combined all these different accent pieces in different colors and how I put them together. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Alright now, so for our first bouquet, we've got some red carnations, and then I've got some green accents to go with this. So I think this will actually turn out really beautiful and I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so one tip that I would give while I was just doing that is to make sure that the red roses are centered in the middle and the accent pieces are around it. And then you also just want to open out the accents as much as you can, just to give it as much space so that it's nice and spread out. Now I'm just going to take this ribbon that I also got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take it, start it at the bottom, and just wrap it around. And there you have it, a beautiful bouquet. Cost me $9. Where do you get that from? Nowhere. Beautiful. Alright guys, now for this next piece, this one is probably my favorite just because it's got so much textures going on, so much diversity. It's white, which is like my favorite color for decor, and then it's got some purple accents, which just turns out super beautiful. Beautiful. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. This would be the front. This would be the back. It's so beautiful. And that's it. Alright guys, so now for the final flower arrangement, we are going in with some pinks, different kinds of pinks, textured pinks, pink and white. Like, it's just fabulous all around. So yeah, let's see how this one turns out. now I'm just gonna do like I did in the last video. Put this in and then drop it right in. This looks great. It looks awesome. We've got some texture going on. And the outside accent pieces just adds really nice definition. Alright guys, so that wraps up our floral arrangement video. I really enjoyed filming this video because it just allows your creativity to show, and you can just be yourself and just have fun with it, and that's the beauty of it, right? And so I love these. Some ideas that I have for you guys would be, maybe this one could be like in your living room, or maybe your dining room, like I said earlier. This could probably be in a bedroom, or if you have a beauty room, that could be beautiful as well. This could also be really good in the bathroom if your theme is like super pink or whatever it is. Again, just have fun with it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!